Hey everyone, today we are revising exponent laws by solving problems without a calculator. Perfect for quick review. Let's dive in. If you enjoy this, like, share and subscribe for more tips. Let's get started. Here is around 39 math. Once you complete this one, our revision will be very good. Number 1. 16 to the power 0. The answer is 1. Why? Because we know as per law of exponent a to the power 0 equals to 1. So 16 to the power 0 equals to 1. Number 1 done. Then number 2, 16 a to the power 0. Look, this is 16, we can write here, times a to the power 0 means what? 1. So our answer is 16. Look, here a to the power 0 equals to 1 is a very important law. Number 3. Here is 11, we can write 11 to the power 9x times 11 to the power 2x. This one we can write 11 to the power 9x plus 2x. The answer is 11 to the power 11x. Now, what is the law of exponent? Look, a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. It means once the base are same, that time in product power will be add. It means a to the power m plus n, and our answer is 11 to the power 9x plus 2x, because here 11 the power is 9x and here 11 and power is 9x. So 11 is a base and 9x and 2x is a power. In the product we will just add. We try to cover all the law of exponent. Number 4. 10 to the power 6x times 10 to the power 2x. So we already knows about it. A to the power m times a to the power n and power will be add. So similar, here 10 is a base, 10 6x plus 2x, and answer is 10 to the power 8x. Okay. Number 5. 6c to the power 3. Here answer is 6 cube c cube. Why? Because also we know a b whole power, suppose x, in this case a to the power x and b to the power x. Similar, 6 cube and c cube. So what is the answer? Answer is 6 cube means we can use calculator. 6 cube, here is 216 and here c cube. Okay, so number 5 done. Now number 6, mn to the power 3. The answer is 5n to the power 3. So in the bracket 5n and whole power is 3. So 5 will to the power 3 and n to the power 3. 5 cube means 125 and here n cube. Why? Because the law is ab to the power x means a to the power x, b to the power x. Number 6 done. Now number 7. 2 to the power minus 2 divide 3 square. 2 to the power minus 2 divide 3 square. So we know 3 square means 9, and this 2 to the power minus 2 we can first we write 1 divide 2 square. Why? Because we know a to the power minus n, this is a negative exponent, we can write 1 divide a to the power n, right? So easily we can write 2 to the power minus 2, it means 1 by 2 square. So 1 divide 4 divide 9. So once we flip the fraction, the answer will be 9 divide 4, right? So number 7 done. Number 8, 5 over 2 to the power minus 3. Similar, in numerator here is 5 and denominator this 2 to the power minus 3 we can write 1 divide 2 to the power 3, because in negative exponent we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 divide a to the power n. So now 5 times, just we flip this one, so it will become 2 to the power 3 divide 1. So answer is 5 times 2 to the power 3 means 8 and answer is 40, right? So number 8 done. Now number 9, 2 divide 3 to the power minus 3. Again we check 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. So look, this one, what can we do? We know a to the power minus n, it means 1 divide a to the power n. So first 1 divide 2 divide 3 to the power n, here is n is 3, right? So we can write 1 divide 2 cube means, or we can write like this, 2 cube divide 3 cube. So once we flip this one, so it will become 1 is a denominator, 1 is numerator, and 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3 is a denominator. So in this case, once we flip this one, 1 times 3 cube divide 2 cube. So answer is 27 divide 8, right? Number 9 done. Now we will start number 10. 10 is a square divide a to the power minus 1. So we know the negative exponent, which is a to the power minus n equals to 1 divided a to the power n. So first in numerator here is a square, and this one a to the power minus 1 we can write 1 divide a. So a square 1 divide a, it will be flip, so a divide 1 and our answer is a square plus a. A means in here a to the power 1. We know a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So 2 plus 1 it will be a cube, right? Number 10 done. Number 11, x y to the power minus 3 divide x to the power 4 and y. So here we can do one thing. What? We know a to the power m divide a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n, or we can write a to the power m divide a to the power n equals to 1 divide a to the power n minus m. It means once the base are same, in division power will be subtract. So similar, look, here is x to the power 1 and divide x to the power 4. So here x is a base, we can write x to the power 4 and minus 1, right? Similar, we can write here y, and this y base is a 1, so this minus 1, this minus 3, it means 1, and this minus 3 will become plus 3, because minus and minus plus, and numerator 1. So this case the answer is 1 divide x cube y to the power 4. Okay, the answer is okay. Number 12. Here is x square and here x to the power 3t plus 1. So this one base are same, so base is a x. So power will be add 2 plus 3t plus 1. So our answer is x to the power 3t plus 3. Okay, so number 12 done. Now number 13. 3 times 3 to the power 2a times 3 square. Okay, so here base is 3 and power will be add, so it means 3 to the power 1 plus 2a plus 2. So our answer is 3 plus 2a plus 3, and we are following a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so number 13 done. Now number 14. Here is a fraction which is 2 to the power m plus 20 divide 2 to the power m plus 20. So look, here base is 2, so we can write 2 and the power will be subtract. It means m plus 20 minus m minus 20, right? Now look, here m minus m out, this is 20, so plus 20 and minus 20 out. So in this case the power is 0, and we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. This is another exponential law. So 2 to the power 0 means 1. Okay, number 14 done. Now number 15. Similar, here is 2 to the power x plus 4 divide 2 to the power x plus 3. So base is same, so 2x plus 4 minus x minus 3, and our answer will be here plus x and minus x out, plus 4 and minus 3, it will be 1, and our answer is 2. Okay, so number 15 done. Look, in this chapter, revision of exponent laws, here is 39 math. We try to solve everything. Therefore, our practice will be standard and we will get good marks in the examination. Now, number 16. Number 16, 2a to the power 4, then 3ab square. So first we can write like this, 2a to the power 4 times 3ab square. We remove bracket, so we instead of bracket we use product sign. Now look, the constant is 2 and 3, so 2 times 3 is a 6. Okay, and look here, a to the power 4 and only a, so we can write like this, a to the power 4 plus 1 and b square. So our answer is 6a to the power 5b square. Very simple, but now our revision period, that's why we are doing carefully. Number 17, 7m to the power 4n times 8m to the power 6 n 8. So we can write this one, 7m to the power 4n times 8m to the power 6 n to the power 8. Now look, this 7 multiply 8, 56, m to the power 4 and m to the power 6, 4 plus 6, and n, here is power nothing, it means 1, 1 plus here is 8, right? So 56 m to the power 10 n to the power 9. 17 done. Now 18. 2 inside bracket minus a to the power 7 b to the power 8, then minus 4a cube b to the power 6, then minus 9 a to the power 6 b square, right? So this one we already know, just this is a product thing. So 2 minus 4 minus 9, so minus and minus plus, so minus out, but here is also another minus, so 3 minus, it will be minus, right? Then 2 times 4 8, 8 times 9, it's a 72. Here is a to the power 7, here a to the power 3, it means plus 3, and here a to the power 6, it means plus 6, right? Then b to the power 8 plus 6, because here is b power 6, and b square, it's a plus 2, so minus 72 a to the power 7 plus 3 10 plus 6, it's a 16, and b 10, and also this one 16. So this is our answer. So 18 done. Number 19, we can do another way, like here is minus, so first minus, then 9, here is times 1 by 9 times, here is 1 by 5. Constant we are keep one side. Now look, here is x to the power 3, x to the power 8, x to the power 3, right? So this one we can write like this, x to the power 3 plus 8 plus 3. Now y, here is 6, here is 7, and here is 6. So we can write like this, 6 plus 7 plus 6. So look, here is 1, here is 9, and 1 divide 9, so we can out this one, 9 out. So minus 1 divide 5, x to the power 8 3 11, 11 3 14. Now y 7 6 13, 13 6 19, and this is our answer. So number 19 done. Number 20, here is a to the power 3x divide a to the power x. This one we can easily write a to the power 3x minus x equals to a to the power 2x, right? So why we write this one? Because a to the power m divide a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. So number 20, 19 and 20 done. Now number 21, here is 20 x to the power 10 a to the power 4, 4 x to the power 9 a to the power 3. So here we have to concern about one things. Look, here is 20 and here is 4. Once we divide both, we will get 5. Okay, so here is 5. Now look, here is x to the power 10 and divide x to the power 9. So which one is larger? 10 is larger. This case we can write x to the power 10 minus 9, right? And here a to the power 4 divide a to the power 3. So this one also larger than 3, so 4 minus 3. In this case, no need denominator. So answer is 5x, because 10 minus 9 means x and a. This is our answer. So number 21 done. Let's start number 22. 22. Here is 18c to the power 10 p to the power 8 over 9 c to the power 6 p to the power 5. So first we will divide numerator and denominator by 9. So here is 18 divide 9, it means 2, and this 9 out. Now c to the power 10 minus 6 and c to the power 8 minus 5, because a to the power m divide a to the power n means a to the power m minus n, right? So c to the power 10 minus 6 means 4, and p, this one is p. 8 minus 5 means 3. So this is our answer. 23. 6m8 a to the power 10 divide 2m to the power 3 a to the power 5. So this one, 6 divide 2, it's a 3, then m 8 minus 3 a 10 minus 5. So our answer is 3 m to the power 5 a to the power 5, right? 23 also done. 24. 3 to the power 12 divide 3 to the power 9. This one, 3, 12 minus 9, the answer is 3 to the power 3, right? So answer also we can write 27. Look, this one also same thing, 3 to the power 12 divided 3 to the power 9, right? So we can write like this way or that way. So 24 also done. 25. 7 times a to the power 3 to the power 3 divide a to the power 7. So first 7, and this one we can write what? A to the power 3 to the power 3. What does mean? It means a to the power 3 times 3, not 3 cube, and here a to the power 7. So we can write 7 a to the power 3 times 3 means 9, and we know once base are same in division power will be subtract, so 9 minus 7. So our answer is 7 a to the power 2, right? We can write this one in here. Okay, so 25 done. Now 26. 9 b to the power 4 to the power 8 divide a cube b to the power 5. So this one is 9 a to the power 8 b to the power 4 times 8, it's a 32. Why this one? We can clarify like this: a to the power b to the power m, it means a to the power m times b. So similar, 4 times 8, it means 32, and here is a cube b to the power 5. So 9 a to the power 8 minus 3 b to the power 32 minus 5. So 9 a to the power 5 b to the power 27. This is our answer. So 26 done. 27 also we can write here 27, 2 square and 6 square. So what can we do? Look, this one is 2 square means 4 and 3 square means what? 36. So we can divide both sides by what? 2. So or 4. 4 divide 4, it means 1, and 36 divide 4, it means 9. But look, this one we can write like this way: 2 square. If we factorize this 6, it will be 2 times 3 and then square. Look, in numerator 2 square and denominator 2 square times 3 square. Look, 2 square and 2 square out, 1 divide 3 square, it means 1 divide 9. So this one also 1 divide 9. So both way you can solve this one. So 27 done. So this video we are going to solve lots of math, so we have to keep patient to complete this video. Once we complete this video, our revision will be fantastic. So now 28. Number 28. A to the power 6 divide b to the power 7 whole power to the power 5. So this one a to the power 6 times 5, and here b to the power 7 times 5. So our answer is a to the power 30 and b to the power 35. 29. 2 t to the power 4 to the power 3. So here is 2 cube and 2 to the power 4 times 3. So our answer is 2 times 3 means 8 and t to the power 12. 30. 3 to the power n plus 3 whole square. So 3 to the power what? 3 to the power n plus 3 times 2. So we can write 3 to the power 2n plus 6. Okay. Also we can keep more segregate like this, 3 to the power 2n times 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6, what does mean? 3 to the power 6, it's a 7 to 9. 7 to 9 and 3 to the power 2n. So number 30 done. Now number 31. 3 to the power n times 9 to the power n minus 3, then 27 n minus 1. So look, here is in numerator 9 and denominator 27. We have to factorize, prime factorize. So we can write like this, 3 to the power n times 9, we can write what? 3 square power 9 n minus 3. This 27 we can write 3 cube, right? Then power n minus 1. So here is 3 to the power n, then 3 to the power 2n minus what? 6, and here is 3 to the power 3n minus 1. Okay, now look, these three and these three base are same. So in this case we can do one thing, like 3 to the power here n plus 2n minus 6 and then minus 3n plus 1. How? We know a to the power m times a to the power n if divide a to the power x. So what can we do? Look here, a to the power m plus n divide a to the power x, and finally we can write a to the power m plus n minus x. So what will be the answer? 3. Here is n plus 2n, it will be 3n. So 3n minus 3n out, and here is minus 6 and here is plus 1, it will be minus 5. So this one we can write 1 divide 3 to the power 5. So what will be the answer? 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 is 243. So we can write like this, 1 divided 243, and this is our answer. So therefore 31 done. Now 32. Number 33. Here is 13 to the power c plus 13 to the power c plus 2. Divide 3 times 13 to the power c minus 13 to the power c. So this one, look, here is plus sign. So in this case we will not use a to the power m times a to the power n, because here is plus sign. But we can write like this, 13 to the power c plus 13 to the power c times 13 to the power 2. Okay, and here is also 13 power c and 13 to the power c. So we can take common this one, 13 to the power c. So here is 3 minus 1. Now look, here we can take common 13 to the power c. So here is 1 plus 13 square means 169, and here is 13 to the power c and 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So 13 to the power c, 13 to the power c out, 169 plus 1, it will be 170 divide 2. So what will be the answer? Here is 85, and 85 is our answer. So therefore we already complete. It's not 32, it's not 33, it's a 32. So 32 done. Now 33. So what is the question? 3 to the power 5x times 81 to the power 5x times 3 cube. Then here 9 to the power 8x. So first our target, we have to make prime factorize this 81. So 3 to the power 5x times 81, we can write 3 to the power 4 and to the power 5x. Then 33 to the power 3, and this 9 we can write 3 square, and then power 8x. So look, here is 3 to the power 5x times 320x, then 3 to the power 3, and here is 3 to the power 16x. So why we write this one? Because we know a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c. Okay, now we will do a big thing, like here is 3 to the power 5x, 3 to the power 20x, 3 to the power 3. So here is product signs, base are same, so power will be add. 3 to the power 5x plus 20x plus 3, and here is 3 to the power 16x. So this one also we can write like this, 3 to the power, here is 5x plus 20x, it means 25x plus 3, and this one minus 16x. Why? Because we know a to the power m divide a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. It means once base are same, in division power will be subtract. So here is 3, 25x minus 16x, it means 9x and plus 3. This is our answer. If you want, you can more segregate this one. It means 3 to the power 9x and 3 cube. It means 3 cube means 27, 3 to the power 9x. This is our answer. So number 33 done. Now we will start number 30. Number 34. Here is 16 to the power x minus 144 to the power b divide 4 to the power x minus 12b. So this 16 to the power x we can make as like 4 to the power x. So it means 4 square to the power x minus 144 we can write 12 square and power b. Here is 4x minus 12b, 12 to the power b. Now this one we can write like this, 4 to the power x square minus 12 to the power b square, and here is 4 to the power x minus 12 to the power b. So this one is looking, I like to say one thing. Look, here is a to the power m to the power n. We also can write a to the power m times n. Also we can write a to the power n to the power m. So is a same, this is a same thing. Now look, here is 4 to the power x square and 12 to the power b to the power square. So this one is looking a square minus b square. We can write like this, 4 to the power x plus 12b times 4 to the power x minus 12b, right? And here 4 to the power x minus 12b. So this one and this one we can out, or we can omit this one, and finally our answer is 4 to the power x plus 12 to the power b. Therefore our 34 number is done. So we are already close to our video. Our plan, this video we are going to solve around 39 math. It's a massive video but very short type video also here. So number 35. Number 35. This fraction we are seeing in numerator 5 to the power 2y minus 3 times 2 to the power 4y plus 4. Divide 10 to the power minus 5y plus 5. So our target 5 to the power 2y minus 3 2 to the power 4y plus 4, we will not do anything. It will be unchanged. This 10 we can write 2 times 5, then power minus 5y plus 5, then 5 to the power 2y minus 3 times 2 to the power 4y plus 4, and this one we can write 2 to the power minus 5y plus 5, then 5 to the power minus 5y plus 5. Now look, here 5 and 5, these bases are same, so this one we can write like this: 5 to the power 2y minus 3 plus 5y minus 5. It means in negative exponent, once bases are same, we know in division power will be subtract. Therefore, this minus 5y become plus 5y and plus 5y become minus 5y. Okay. Now, no need fraction, and 2 here is 4y plus 4 and minus 5y become plus 5y and plus 5 means minus 5. So, here is 5 to the power 7y minus 8 and 2 to the power 4y plus 5y, it means 9y, and plus 4 minus 5, it means minus 1. So, this is our answer. So, number 35 done. Now, we will start number 30. Number 36. This fraction in numerator 6 to the power 4 times 12 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 5, denominator 30 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6. So, first this 6 we can write 2 times 3 to the power 4 times this 12 we can write, if 12 if we want to make prime factor, so 2 then 6 then 2 become 3. So, 2 square 3, 2 square 3 to the power 3 and times 4 to the power 5, it means 2 square to the power 5. Okay, and this 30 divided by 2, so 15 divided by 3, it will be 5. So, 2 3 5 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 6. Okay. Now look, 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4 times, here is 2 square, it means 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2 square to the power 5, it means 2 to the power 10, right? And here is 2 cube times 3 cube times 5 cube times, okay, and 3 to the power 6. So, this one we have write clearly. Now, here is a big thing. Look, here is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 10. So, it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 6 plus 10, and here is 2 to the power 3, it will be minus 3. Now, 3, 4 plus 3, this 4 plus 3, and divide, here is 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 6, it will be minus 3 minus 6, right? And 5, it will be what? 1 by 5 cube, because in upper portion has no 5. So, here is only 1 to the power 1 divided 5 to the power 3. Now, 2 to the power, here is 10, 20, it means 17. 20 minus 3 is 17, and here is 3 to the power this 3 out, it means minus 2, and times 1 by 5 to the power 3. So this one we can write 2 to the power 17. This 3 to the power minus 2 we can write 1 by 3 square, and here is 5 to the power 3. So this is our answer. 36 done. 37, here is 9 cube times 20 square divide 4 times 4 square times 3 to the power 5. So 9 to the power 3 we can write 3 square to the power 3 times 20. This 20, if we divide by 2, 10, again divide by 2, 5. So 20 we can write 2 square times 5 to the power 2, and 4 will be 2 square, here is 5 square times 3 to the power 5. Then 3 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 4 times 5 square, and here is 2 square times 5 square times 3 to the power 5, right? Then here 5 square and 5 square out, so we can write like this, 3 to the power 6, and here is divide 3 to the power 5, so 6 minus 5 times 2 to the power 4 divide 2 square, it means 4 minus 2, so 3 to the power 1 and 2 square, 3, 4, answer is 12. Okay, number 37. Number 38, this fraction in numerator 7 to the power b times 7 to the power b minus 2 divide 4 times 7 to the power b plus 3 times 7 to the power b. So here we can write 7 to the power b times 7 to the power b into 7 to the power minus 2. Okay, and here is 4 times 7 to the power b plus 3 times 7 to the power b. We can take common 7 to the power b, so 4 plus 3, right? Now this 7 to the power b and this 7 to the power b we can out. Now look, 7 to the power b times 7 to the power minus 2, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So totally we write this one like this, 7 to the power b minus 2, and divide 7, it means 7 to the power 1, it's also minus 1. So our answer is 7 to the power b minus 3. Okay, number 38 done. And our final math in this video, 39, 12 to the power y minus 96 to the power y divide 3 to the power y plus 6 to the power y. So this one we have to segregate like this. First 12 we can, if we make factorize, prime factorize 2, so 6, again divide by 2, 3, so 2 square times 3 to the power y minus 96, if we divide by 2, so 48 divide by 2, 24 divide by 2, 12 divide by 2, 6, again divide by 2, 3, so 1 2 3 4 5 to the power 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power y. Then here is 3 to the power y plus this one we can write 2 times 3 to the power y. 2 times 3 means 6. So this one we can write 2 to the power 2y times 3 to the power 3y times 3 to the power y minus 2 to the power 5y times 3 to the power y divide 3 to the power y plus 2 to the power y times 3 to the power y. So now we will take common 3 to the power y, so here is 2 to the power 2y minus 5 to the power 2 to the power 5y. and here again 3 to the power y common, so 1 plus 2y, right? So 3y cut, so our answer is 2 to the power 2y minus 2 to the power 5y divide 1 plus 2y. So finally we can write 2 to the power 2y, we can write like this: 4 to the power y minus 2 to the power 5y and 1 plus 2 to the power y. So this is our answer. Thank you very much. Long time you are with me. This video we are trying to solve 39 math. This is our revision part for exponent loss, and I think this is very important video for you. We are discuss from basic level, so I want you are doing more and more practice at home, and if you think this is helping you, then share with this video with others. Like me, you can comments me, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.